Here at Flex, we're not your typical manufacturing company. Some call us different, unique, modern, and even ambitious. And honestly, they're all right. At our core, we're a growth company disguised as a manufacturing facility. Though some of our products have been around for decades, we're always innovating, testing, collaborating, and challenging ourselves to not only be pioneers of machine tool automation solutions, but also good humans. We're a team that drives and fuels our unique culture. And by culture, I don't mean leather couches by the fireplace, ping pong breaks, a beautiful pond, employee gym, spirit week, and company merch. We're a blessed team of passionate thinkers, dreamers, and doers. Though we all bring our diverse backgrounds and perspectives, we're committed to breaking the mold and disrupting the status quo. Our humble roots begin in 1971 when Richard Kennedy started his small Wapakoneta, Ohio-based machine shop fulfilling government contract work. Then the Flex arm was born. Now, 50 plus years and millions of innovation hours later, Flex Machine Tools provides so much more than the world's best tapping arms. We're proud to be an industry all-star with our Flex ergonomic arms, Flex CNC and Flex Beam machining centers, and our FlexJet water jet machines. Though we provide various machine tool solutions, we have one singular commitment: exceed customer expectations. Because when a business focuses on bringing value to the customer, how can you lose? It's no accident or secret that we have some of the top talent in the industry, and it shows through everything we do here at Flex. Innovation isn't easy, and being a growing force in the industry doesn't happen overnight. But we couldn't be more proud of our team, our growth, and our commitment to our over 20,000 customers worldwide. We are Flex Machine Tools.